So my name's Jonathan Tedds. I am the program manager for scientific computing at the Elixir Hub. And we are a life science research infrastructure, bringing together all sorts of tools, software suites, environments, and so on to assist researchers across the life sciences. The session is called As Open as Possible, as Closed as Necessary, the EOSC Sensitive Data Exchange. So many of Europe's significant medical, social, environmental research programs actually challenge our open science principles. Researchers collaborate, reuse, combine data sets, which may include personal sensitive data sets, private, even medical. And obviously those are subject to legal and ethical constraints. And we need to be able to control the way that they share that data and with whom. So this session brings together 3 Horizon Europe funded projects, which will specifically develop EOS capabilities to handle this data. In Elixir, we coordinate the EOSC in Trust project to create a common blueprint for the providers of trusted research environments. And so that's working with a whole range of such providers and indeed drivers of research using, in particular, life sciences data. And then there are 2 further projects, EOS Titan and Siesta, which are looking at different aspects of implementing secure, trustworthy frameworks on the EOSC system. So this session will introduce the shared concepts of these projects and invite the wider EOS community to consider the special requirements of sensitive data and the technology solutions which might address them. So we welcome European researchers working with sensitive data that can't be shared in the public domain, and infrastructure providers developing solutions for them. The session will focus on introducing drivers and use cases from the projects and the proposed technical and operational solutions for EOSC. We'll then wrap up with a panel discussion, which will invite the audience to discuss and reflect on the work of the projects. Right. As a young undergraduate in Manchester, I vividly remember watching the newly released Wim Wenders film, Wings of Desire. So this was 1987, set in pre-unification Berlin. And a lot of it was in black and white, and it featured many iconic images, places in a city still divided by the wall. So when I visited friends just a few years later as a young researcher, just after the wall came down, the weight of that history, but also the mood, the atmosphere, the underground electronic music scene that I loved, the artistic communities, the feel of all of that was really exciting. And so whenever I go back, there's not only always something new, but I also enjoy remembrance and glimpses of old.